Growing herbs indoors versus outdoors, so which is better? Want fresh, healthy herbs at your fingertips all year long? Whether you grow them indoors or outdoors, the Medicinal Garden Kit makes it simple. This all-in-one kit has high-quality seeds and instructions so you can grow powerful healing herbs right in your kitchen, balcony, or backyard. Link in the description, don't miss it. Indoor gardening means fresh herbs anytime, no matter the weather. Basil, mint, and parsley can thrive right in your kitchen. No pests, no rain worries, just fresh greens at arm's reach. Perfect for small spaces or harsh climates. Outdoors, herbs get natural sunlight, rain, and pollinators, helping them grow faster and stronger. Rosemary, oregano, and lavender love open space, and your harvest can be bigger with less maintenance. Indoors gives you full control over light and temperature. Outdoors gives you natural growth and richer flavors. Many gardeners actually do both, indoors in winter, outdoors in summer. Whether you choose indoors, outdoors, or both, the Medicinal Garden Kit is the easiest way to start. With premium seeds and simple guides, you'll have healing herbs ready to harvest in no time. So, indoors or outdoors? The real winner is whichever keeps fresh herbs in your hands. Start your medicinal garden today with the Medicinal Garden Kit. Link in the description.